Hi my dearest traders and a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see you in today's video. So today's video I'm going to be trading using technical analysis, and I'm going to be using the help of the Aroon indicator, and with this indicator I'll try and find good entry points on the market and make very good profit. I'm going to start with a deposit of $70 and try and hit it until $10,000. Hopefully by the end of the video I'm able to do this, so stay tuned and watch this video until the end of this video, and maybe you will like how I trade today and be able to do it on your own and make very good profit. And also I'm inviting you to join my private chat in Telegram channel. I left a link under this video. It's a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team and I'll add to this private chat. And also don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video to your friends and family, and subscribing down below to my channel. So let me find my first entry point and explain it to you. So here we have the price moving in an uptrend, and at the moment the price is in the correction zone. In this situation I'm going to open the trade for 2 minutes to go down, since as you can see the cross cutting of the sliding ones occurs on this indicator, and I understand that the price has the downside potential here. Also you can note the resistance level which the price has already touched for the second time, and again makes a bounce down from this level. As you can see now we have the red candlesticks on the graph. So here I still have a long distance to the previous price minimum. It's more likely that the price will continue to move down in the near future. Now you can see that the price is already showing a good decline, so let me wait and see how this trade ends. This is great, friends. As you can see the price is moving along my scenario and I got a very confident plus. This indicator on this situation really gave me a great entry point and I got good profit. Let me find more situations. So now here you can see after the bounce from the resistance level, the price approaches this level again. Here I'll immediately open the trade for 2 minutes to go up, since the indicator indicates that the price has a good potential for a growth. As you can see earlier the price usually made a turn and moved down from this level, but now our graph is already beyond the level, and as you can see the price is moving more impulsively and mainly with green candlesticks in the recent times. So it's likely that the price will continue to move up in the uptrend. Also in this situation I'm using 2 minutes with the reserve, taking into account that the price may fall into the retracement zone or there may be a roll down, but let me wait and see the results. This is awesome, friends. You can see after a small retracement near the resistance level, the price breaks through it and shows a good growth. Here I got the profit, and as you can see the indicator again hinted at a good entry point. 2 minutes was perfect for this trade. Let me continue. So as you can see here we have a good confident uptrend. Currently the price is moving down. In this situation I'm going to open the trade for 2 minutes to go down, since the indicator indicates that the price has a good downside potential. As you can see the price is facing the resistance here, and it's not the first time that the price is making a rebound down from this zone, so it's more likely that the price will move down in the near future. As you can see recently the price is moving down mainly with impulsive red candlesticks. Also there is still enough space to the area where we previously saw some fading, and nothing is preventing the price from moving down to it. In this situation I'm using 2 minutes with the reserve. Let me wait and see how this trade ends. This is awesome, friends. You can see the price shows a good decline, and here I got a confident plus. The indicator in this situation indicated at a very good entry point, and 2 minutes was perfect for this. Let me continue and find more situations. So here you can see that the price is moving up in the uptrend, and currently it is in the correction. At the same time the price has been moving down with mostly red candlesticks. In this situation I'm going to open the trade for a minute to go down, as the red line of the indicator is located at the top. Also I can understand that the price has a good downside potential. At the same time you can see that we still have a long distance to go to the support level, and as you can see previously the price has made the resistance level that didn't let it go up, and the price made a turn and began to move down. So it's more likely that the price will move down in the near future. So here I'm using 1 minute, taking into account that such a trade is obtained against the main rising trend. But let me wait and see the results. Wow, this is pretty good. you can see the price continues to move down and my trade closes below the entry point here. I got very good profit here. Thus you can see my deposit increased from the initial amount more than 10 times. This is a great result. Let me find more situations and continue working on them. Here you can see the price continues to move down. Currently we have some kind of fading, and as you can see the red line is located on the indicator from above. So here I'm going to open the trade for 2 minutes to go down, since the indicator indicates that the price has a good downside potential. Also, as you can see, we still have a long distance to the previous price minimum. At the same time, the main price maximums are getting lower on the graph, so it's more likely that the price will continue to move down in the coming time according to the internet downtrend. Also in this situation, I'm using 2 minutes with the reserve. Let me see how this trade closes. This is great, friends. As you can see, the price shows a good decline, and here I got a confident plus. The indicator gave me a great entry point and 2 minutes was perfect for me. So let me continue and find more working situations. So here you can see that the price is moving in the downtrend, and there is also the breaking through of the support level. Currently the price is making a rollback up to this level, and I can see some kind of fading on the graph. In this situation, I'm going to open a trade for 1 minute to go up. Since there is a little space before this level, I think that the price will show some kind of rise and then it will continue to go down. Also, the indicator indicates us that the price still has the upside potential. At the same time, the price began to move up more impulsively from the last price minimum, mostly with green candlesticks. Also earlier, we have already seen such a rollback up on the graph, after which the price continued to move down. In this situation, I'm using 1 minute, taking into account that the trade is against the main price down movement. Let me wait and see the end of this trade. This is quite good. You can see the price is moving according to my scenario. It's showing a good growth and I got very good profit. 1 minute was quite enough for this trade. You can see I already have almost 3,000 on my deposit. I'm currently approaching my trading goal for today. Let me continue. So here you can see the price touches this level twice and makes a rebound up. It shows a good growth. In this situation, I'm going to open the trade for 2 minutes to go up. Since the blue line of the indicator is located on top, I understand that the price still has an upside potential. Also, there is still a long distance until the maximum point on the graph. As you can see, the price began to move up more impulsively from the support level and does not make any rollbacks down. So it's likely that the price will continue to move up in the near future. Also in this situation, I'm using 2 minutes with the reserve. Let me wait and see the end of this trade. This is pretty awesome. You can see the price hit the retracement zone, but at the same time my trade closes above the entry point, and here I got a very good profit. So 2 minutes was quite enough for this trade. Also, the indicator hinted at a very good entry point and helped me earn very good profit here. So here I'm going to continue and find another situation for today. So as you can see here, the price is moving down and currently we can see some fading. In this situation, I'm going to open the trade for 2 minutes to go down, since there was an intersection of the moving averages on the indicator, and I understand that the price has the downside potential here. Also, we have a long distance to the support level, while the main price highs on the graph are falling and the price moves down mainly with red candlesticks. All this makes it clear that it's more likely that the price will continue to move down and will touch this level in the near future. Also in this situation, I'm using 2 minutes with the reserve, taking into account that the price may fall into the retracement zone or make a rollback up. So let me watch this chart and see how this trade will end. This is pretty great, friends. You can see the price is moving according to my scenario and is approaching the support level. Thus here I got very good profit. The indicator did not let me down and hinted at a very good entry point, and also 2 minutes was quite enough for this. Thus I already have $10,000 as my deposit. So I'll complete the trade today, fix this profit and leave the market. So that was quite awesome. As you saw, today's trades really worked out quite well and I got very good profit. So using this indicator and combining it with technical analysis really works well, and I found good entry points on the market. You can also do it. You need to practice a lot, get experience and make very good profit on your own. If you have any questions concerning today's trades, you can ask them in my private chat in Telegram channel. Go under this video, there is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team, and I'll add you to this private chat. And also don't forget to support this channel if you really like it, and also don't forget to support my channel if you like all my videos. Don't forget to give this video a like. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe down below to my channel. So until next time, good luck in your trades. Bye bye.